Hi, my name is Andrew. Thank you for watching 保险知多少? And what you're watching now is the English version, and today we're going to talk about investment-linked policy, the hottest topic in the insurance and takaful industry at the moment. So if you want to watch the English version, please stay on. If you are interested in the Mandarin version, you have 3 seconds to click on this link. And if you prefer the Bahasa Malaysia version, you also have 3 seconds to click on this link. Alright, let's get back to the hottest topic in the insurance and takaful industry, which is the investment-linked product. So investment-linked product was introduced to the market many years back, almost 15 years back. So it is very popular because investment-linked policy is very flexible, and client can do a lot of changes, a lot of amendment to their policy. So let us discuss the features of investment-linked product. So the number one feature for investment-linked product, of course, is the amount that you pay, or we call it the premium, or in takaful policy we call it the contribution that you pay. You can increase your premium, you can decrease your premium, and of course at some times when you are in difficulties, you can also skip your premium for 1 or 2 months, because there is this function called premium holiday. We do not encourage you to do premium holiday very often unless you are forced to do so because of financial difficulties, or sometimes you need some cash flow and stuff like that. Else we do not recommend you to do premium holiday. But because investment-linked product is so flexible, this is the number one benefit that all the policyholders are interested in, which is their premium or the amount that they pay. Number two, you can also adjust your coverage. Yeah, you can increase your coverage, you can decrease your coverage, you can take out certain riders, you can add in certain riders at any time, provided that you are still healthy. So this is the number two feature for investment-linked product. Number three, for investment-linked product, of course the word investment-linked, it is not an investment product, it is not an investment solution, but it is more like a product or a solution that is linked to investment, something like unit trust. So with that being said, customers or you as policyholder, you can choose the fund that you want. Whether your risk portfolio or your risk appetite is higher, you can go for equity fund. If you are just moderate, you can go for managed fund, or if you are more conservative, you can always go for bond fund. So the funds are really up to you guys, and because of that, a portion of your premium will go to this fund. And basically how investment link works is, when you pay a premium, it is divided into two parts. Number one is unallocated, which is premium that does not go into your policy. Where does it go? It goes to your agent's commission. And number two is the allocated part, which is premium that goes into your policy. So once it goes into your policy, it will be unitized according to the fund that you choose. Once it is unitized, it will be used to deduct, to minus the cost. What are the costs? Your cost of insurance, the coverage that you bought, the fund management charges, which is, of course, if you are investing in a fund, definitely there will be a fund manager that charges you, policy management fee, monthly service charge, so on and so forth. Depending on company, the charges varies. Then of course, with all this flexibility, all these changes allowable, customers or policyholders are at their own risk. All the investment risk will be on you, the policyholder. The company will not be bearing the risk for this one. All the customers or the policyholders will be bearing the investment risk by themselves. So from 1st of July onwards, as you all know, as some of you may know, and until end of this year, Bank Negara will be sending education material, something that looks like this. It's 2 pages, sending to all the policyholders to talk about the sustainability of investment-linked product. So what is sustainability? As I mentioned earlier in this video up there, sustainability of a product means how long the policy can last with the same premium. So example, if you are paying 300 when you bought the investment link policy, and your agent told you that, well, you pay this premium forever. Looks like your agent may not be telling you the entire truth. The fact is that as we age, our cost of insurance increase because of our risk increase. Therefore, when our cost of insurance increase to a certain amount where it is the same as your premium, then your account value will deplete, and until it depletes, until dry, then you may need to do a top up. So the 300 may not be valid anymore. You may need to top up to 400, 500, 7, or maybe 800, depending on the coverage that you have bought. So with this education material, Bank Negara is instructing all the insurance company and Takaful operator to understand and to send all this education material to all their policy holders or certificate holders for Takaful industry. So you as a policy or certificate holder, you will be able to see this education material either via web or they'll send you via email. If you are a customer and you don't understand, you may need to call your insurance agent or Takaful agent. But I must admit that not all agents in the market understand what this is all about. So if you are an insurance agent or a Takaful agent, and if you have sold investment link product, you really need to understand all this. I'm sure all your companies have instructed you guys to go for trainings, to go for classes, to understand what is this all about. And I urge you to understand all this, because your customers will be calling you, asking you why they receive all these letters and so on. So as a policyholder or customer, or as a viewer of this video, if you do not understand the education material, you can always message me over at my Facebook page, or you can comment down here if you're watching it from YouTube. And of course, if you're an insurance agent and Takaful agent, and you do not know what is this all about, and maybe you got nowhere to ask, of course you can always message me on my Facebook page, and you can comment down here at this video if you're watching it on YouTube. So for my next video for the entire month, I will also be talking about investment link product and the sustainability issue. So our next video will be talking about why your policy might lapse even if you pay monthly on time. And of course, if you are facing this one, what are the things that you can do to avoid your policy being lapsed? So if you enjoy this video, please like this video and then share it on your social media. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe my channel. I'll be doing more videos in English, don't worry. Of course, click on this bell so that you can receive the latest notification, the latest update when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.